Hello everyone. My name is Drazar Siddharth. Today date is 27 April 2022. Today's topic is predefined and user-defined packages in Java. In packages in Java is a mechanism to encapsulation of a group of classes, sub-packages and interfaces. Packages are used for preventing naming interfaces. Packages are used for preventing in the bit two classes within the name employee in two packages, college staff and case in employee and college staff, that is employee, making searching, locating and the usage of classes interfaces, enumeration of the annotation easier, providing controlled access of the protected and default having package, in which level access control of protected, how package level access control of protected, member of accessible in by the classes in the same package, in which the providing of the package level access control to the member of accessible classes in the same package. Package can be considered as a data encapsulation or data handling. All we need to the put related classes into package. After that we can simply write import the class in existing packages and use it our program. A package is container of a program related classes where some of the class in which accessible are exposed and other are kept the internal purpose. We can reuse existing the classes from the package as many time we need in the our program, in which how to program uh, package in work. Package name and directory structure are closely related. For example, if package name is college staff, in that case there are three directories, college staff and such as the case in which present in staff and staff is present in college. Also the directory college accessible through class path variable, that is path is the parent directory of college present in the class path, in which package adding the convention. Packages are named in the reverse order to domain names, that is Greek for Greeks. Practice, for example, in college the recommended convention is college. Take case college, take in which college history. Adding the class package, we can add more classes to created package by using package name and the top of the program and saving the in the package of directory. We need a new Java file define public class, otherwise we can add the new class to existing the .java file and recompile it, and in which sub packages, packages is that inside the another package are in that sub package. These are important, imported by default the how imported exactly explicitly in it, number of packages, no access privilege, that is they are considered as different package for protected and default access specifier util. Packages created in Java package, types of package user defined and in which built-in packages. The packages consist of large number of classes which are a part of the Java API. Some of the commonly used built-in the packages are java.lang, contains language support classes, that is classed, which defines primitive data types, math operations. This package is automatically imported. Java.io contains classes for supporting input output operations. Third one is Java util. Java util contains utility classes which implements the data structure like linked list, dictionary and support that for date and time operation. Java applet. Java applet contains classes of creating applets. Java.awt. AWT contains classes of implementing the components of for graphical user interfaces like button, menus, etc. Java.net contains classes of the supporting networking operation. User defined packages. User defined packages in the defined user, and first we create a directory. My package name should be name as the name with package. Then create a my class inside the directory with the first statement of the being package names. Thank you.